Hi everyone, welcome to Revisable. I am Kashish Raya, an intern doctor, and today I'll be giving you a full tutorial of Revisable, how to use flashcards and various other features of Revisable to make full use of this app in your preparation. So let's open the app, and this is how it looks. So I already have an account, but for you guys, I'm logging in as a new student. So I'll just sign up, put any username, phone number, email, and then any password. What do we call you? Call any name. So write any name. Now select what are you studying, graduate, write your institution name, and what are you preparing for. Select any course you're preparing for. I'm preparing for NEET MBBS, so I'll click this. And when is your exam so that it knows. So my exam is more than 12 months. Next. And my account is all set. So right now, I'm a free member. It's a free app, but everything is not unlocked. So to lock every feature of this app, you have to buy a pro subscription, which is very affordable. So now I'll go to this profile and click to upgrade to pro, and you can see the monthly price and the yearly price. So however you feel it's good, you can choose the subscription on that basis. I'll go for the monthly one. When you buy a pro, आपके सारे courses खुल जाएंगे. तो आप चाहे नीट यूजी का प्रिपेयर करना चाहें, चाहे नीट पीजी का, everything is unlocked now once you buy a subscription. So I'll go for नीट MDS. Back, NEET MDS में we have flashcards, Q banks, and notes. Everything is unlocked after the pro. And so let's talk about flashcards first of all. I'm choosing general surgery, and we have topic wise chapters, and there is also frequently asked exams. We'll choose this. So this is how a flashcard works. So एक क्वेश्चन शो होगा आपकी स्क्रीन पे, and there's three options bottom में, again good and easy. So you'll read the flashcard. Drug of choice in management of life threatening allergic reaction. If I know the answer, then I'll say it in my mind and then tap on it. It's adrenaline. If मेरे को याद था कि इसका आंसर एड्रेनलिन ही है, so I'll क्लिक ऑन इजी, कि मतलब मुझे 4 दिन बाद भी रिमाइंड कराएगा तो मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा याद रहेगा. अगर आपको थोड़ा नहीं याद आ रहा था, यू आर डाइसी अबाउट थिंग्स, तो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन गुड. सो ये आपको 10 मिनट्स बाद रिवाइज कराएगा सेम फ्लैश कार्ड. एंड इफ इट्स वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, यू हैड नो क्लू अबाउट दिस फ्लैश कार्ड, देन क्लिक ऑन अगेन. सो इट विल रिमाइंड यू आफ्टर 1 मिनट. नाउ ऊपर ये जो ऑप्शंस हैं, आस्क एआई, एक्सप्लेन, सिंप्लीफाई, टेबल, डायग्राम, सस्पेंड, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. सो इफ यू डोंट नो द आंसर ऑफ दिस ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस इन मैनेजमेंट, तो यू कैन आस्क द एआई व्हाट डू यू वांट इट टू. एक रिवीजन नोट बनाना है इस पूरे टॉपिक पे, एक क्विज बनानी है इस टॉपिक पे, एक सिमिलर फ्लैश कार्ड्स यू वांट, या फिर इसको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करना है. विल गो फॉर एक्सप्लेन दिस इन डिटेल. Now it has given us the whole summary of adrenaline with MDS point of view. सब कुछ MDS point of view से ही यहाँ पे बताया गया है. And you can ask any doubt in this chat also. This is how the flashcard works. And then let's go to Q banks. Let's select with endodontics, and I'm going for from bleaching. Now अब bleaching में यहाँ पे आप इसको as a practice की तरह भी solve कर सकते हैं MCQ, और आप as a test भी solve कर सकते हैं MCQs. So there are like 28 questions. Now let's start with the practice thing. The most common consequences of bleaching non-vital teeth is, now you have to select your option, whatever you think is the right option. It's a practice, so you can chat with AI कि ऐसा इसका solution explain में detail करे, तो आपको उसी time हमारा AI बता देगा. If you are feeling bored, so you can also listen to that question, and after submitting the quiz, ये quiz के results हैं, आपको score बताएगा. Now you can discuss your test result with AI. AI will tell you कि कौन सा आपका weakest subject है, कौन सा आपका weakest chapter है, कौन सा आपके 3 knowledge gaps हैं, and all those things. And it also can give you a 7-day study plan to revise this bleaching chapter, and it can also help you analyze your time management, compare your subject performances. Now view weak concepts पे. So there are AI pearls which tell you concepts from your quiz answers. सर्वाइकल रिजॉर्प्शन एंड नाइट गार्ड ब्लीडिंग, ये पूरे टेस्ट का मिला के जितने भी आपको इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स थे, तो एआई पर्ल्स के वे में आपको वहाँ पे शो होंगे. This was about AI test analysis. And then coming to notes, we have various topics of notes, like let's go to tooth colored raisins. So these are like very short and quick revision notes. Like अगर आपको कोई topic आपने पहले पढ़ रखा है and आप फिर से उसको you just had 10 minutes to revise, so you can just revise it like in 10 minutes. That's how the notes thing worked. So all the flashcards you have marked as good, again, and easy. Everything will be showed on their profile feed as revise flashcards, so you can revise it again and again from here only. Now coming to AI wala part. This is notebook AI. You can create manual flashcards, or you can create flashcards from notes, PDF, YouTube videos, and a lot of things. So I have made this. Let's make a new study set and call it anything like surgery. Now you can click on this AI button. You can create flashcard on any topics. You can create MCQ on any topic, and you can upload PDF and chat with AI and make flashcards from it. Now make अब हमें flashcards बनाने हैं with AI prompts. Folder का title surgery में I am writing tumors. Topic name will be benign tumors. Subject was surgery. एंड हमारा एग्जाम ये प्रॉपर उसी एग्जाम के बेस पे ही बनाएगा, इधर उधर के कुछ हमें जरूरत नहीं है। ये एग्जाम बेस, जैसे आपका नीट पीजी के एग्जाम में जो आता है उसी के बेस पे आपके फ्लैश कार्ड्स होंगे। डिफिकल्टी लेवल वी कैन सेलेक्ट फैक्चुअल चाहिए, इमेज बेस्ड, क्योंकि एग्जाम में इमेज बेस्ड आते हैं, क्लिनिकल बेस्ड आते हैं, ऑल दो। तो विल मेक द फैक्चुअल वन, जनरेट फ्लैश कार्ड्स। नाउ एआई is creating flashcards for us. Now we can view the card. Here are all the flashcards I needed to learn from benign tumors of general surgery in for NEET PG exam. So you can see this is how AI, flashcard AI works. Now let's create MCQs from AI. Create with AI. Folder title should be biology. Part 1. Topic, I would like to study human reproduction. Subject name is 12th is biology again. And exam is NEET UG. Number of MCQs we want is 20. Difficult level, let's keep it intermediate. And we need image-based MCQs. Now our AI is generating MCQs for you. And it's all relevant to what comes under NEET UG. So you don't have to worry about reading anything extra. So these are all the questions that we got. Which of the following is not a primary sex organ? With the explanations. This was it for part 1 of Revisable tutorial. See you in the next one. And let me know in comments any queries or doubts you have regarding the app. Happy revising.